Rise and shine, good people. So today is a great day. No, actually, it's cloudy, but hopefully it's sunny later because based on the weather app, it will be sunny later. Yeah, so fingers crossed because I don't want it to rain again. It has rained like the past 3 days, I think. Yeah, so today, my mom and I, we are going around CBD. We're going to do like this free walking tour because we don't know anything about Melbourne, so yeah, we need help. And I'm pretty excited because this is the last week before class starts. Despite that, my leg hurt. Yeah, because I was running around CBD like 2-3 days ago with my friend. She was almost late to work, but it's getting better. Since the tour starts at like 3, we are going to the Shrine of Remembrance first, and then we'll join the tour at like 3 p.m. So yeah, that's our plan today, and we are bringing you guys with us, so stay tuned. Since we started early, we went to the Shrine of Remembrance before the tour. It is Victoria's premier war memorial dedicated to the service and sacrifice of Australians in war and peacekeeping. It is a solemn monument and a museum. We decided to arrive earlier at the meeting spot for the tour, which is in front of the State Library, so we could get inside and explore the library first. On the tour, we walked around CBD to see the famous Melbourne street arts. We went for around an hour and a half, listening about the stories behind the arts and briefly about Melbourne too. After the tour, we continued exploring CBD. Oh my god, I know that sounds terrible, but we just arrived in Melbourne, so, well, tourist stuff, I guess. For the second day, we went on another tour. This time is about Melbourne's history and sights. I had almond croissant before starting, and maybe not the best decision since a seagull seems to be interested in my food too. After the tour, I was so hungry. I found this sushi place near Center Place. This is my first sushi in Melbourne, and look how excited I was. Yeah, because how can I resist sushi? Sushi is like the best thing on earth. You know what else I cannot resist? F1. So I went to the F1 exhibition. I think it's over by the time I posted this. Hey. It was cool and fun. I learned a lot. First, I was met by this William Lego car. Then I went inside where they showed the history of the sport, the evolution of the car's engine, the stories, the world champions, Oscar Piastri and Mark Webber suits and helmets. Look at this gorgeous Red Bull car. It's so beautiful, I might cry. What I love is that they include F1 Academy in this exhibition. On the third day, I became Dora the Explorer, especially with the backpack. We booked a tour to ride the Puffing Billy train, then watch the penguins in Phillip Island. First, we go to the CBD, because the meeting point is in front of the Windsor Hotel. I found this store that sells onigiri next to the hotel, so I had one before the trip.